Welcome! We created PosterMyWall to make marketing easy for busy people like you. PosterMyWall bundles everything you need to create great marketing in a single app. Connect with your audience through social media publishing and email marketing. Promote your next event with custom event calendars and landing pages. With PosterMyWall, you'll be able to reach your customers and contacts wherever they are. Over 2 million templates means your design is halfway done before you start. You'll find templates for posters and flyers, videos, social media posts, emails, schedules, menus, digital signage, and more. Once you've selected a template that matches your style, it's easy to customize it. When your design is completed, you're ready to share. Click Download if you want to print posters or flyers. Our social media publishing tools publish to all of your favorite platforms. Add captions effortlessly. Just let AI Writer jump in. Post right away or schedule for later. We've got you covered for every theme and occasion with thousands of email design templates. You can customize one of our email templates or start fresh. It's up to you. Match your brand colors and add designs, videos, your logo, and more. Import your existing audience lists or start from scratch. Send right away or schedule for later. You can also measure performance. Reach more attendees with our event promotion tools. Your custom event page brings all the details together in one place. A description of your event, the time, a location map, and your event graphic. It's easy to share on social and by email. It even maintains a calendar of upcoming events for your website. PosterMyWall. Easy marketing for busy people.